C&B started 30 years ago with my dad and Matt's father, Dan, buying the local dealership in Gettysburg, South Dakota to save it from basically leaving town. And since then, we've always talked about growth the right way. We've invested the right amount at the right times to make sure that we had a long-term vision to continue to grow. And we're really proud of the stability that we can offer our employees and our customers.
It's a very positive environment, very supportive environment. We provide ample training on the job and technical training as they advance through their careers. We have a lot of fun, but we also are focused on getting our goals done. We have a responsibility to take care of our customers. We need great team members in order to do it.
Expectations when you come to C&B, you can expect to be treated with respect. You can expect to be challenged with goals. An expectation is that we're going to have happy customers and we're going to service them well. There's the expectation of living our culture, living our brand, and having fun along the way.
For me personally, when I took a look at C&B, I wanted to make sure, first and foremost, that they treated people well. People want to be treated with dignity, they want to be treated with respect, and I think that C&B understands that.
I grew up family farm. So we still farm, dad, 2 brothers, sister, mom. So C&B helps out. If I gotta run to go help combine or something, they're very helpful in being flexible with my schedule. I don't feel like I'm a number at all. I think that you're the farthest thing from a number.
Everyone cares about everyone. It feels like another extension of your family. From the top to the bottom, anyone coming in, they're wondering how your day is going. They're wondering if you need any help with something. Are you understanding what's going on? What can we do to help you be better?
We like to say that something is what we say it is. That means that if we sell a piece of machinery, it is explained to the customer. It is not oversold. We expect to live up to that philosophy.
We utilize technology to connect with our customers and our communities in a faster, more reliable way, and we use it to basically get the job done faster and more efficiently.
It's a long relationship you build with your customers, and the customers respect you and you respect them, and that's what's fun about it, is relationship.
Dealer of choice is when someone says, hey, I'm gonna go buy a new tractor. Hey, I need this part, or I have to go get my tractor fixed. It should be C&B. That's what it means. It has to be the one-stop shop for us. It's been great for me. Tell everybody I meet as we keep going through different relationships. We have a lot of long-term employees, and that's just a statement of who we are.
Our model is really having strong stores, not a strong corporate approach, but really a local approach. So the store manager really has that control locally, but all the people contribute every day towards the common objectives.
It's Cronin and Burwell, and it's kind of like a silent B and a silent C. The and is the heart and soul of the whole company. We're a store-driven organization, so people don't see Matt and Peter or any of the Burwells or any of the Cronins in their day-to-day operation. They don't call us to do a deal. It's the team is what truly takes care of our customers.
They're very team-oriented, whether it's your own dealership or I had the opportunity to go to the leadership summit and just see all the managers from all the different stores act together after we got done with the meetings and mingle. It's just one team, and we're all trying to achieve the goal.
The departments really work well together. When we get together and we meet and we talk about different things, a lot of time representatives from the other departments are there, just so that we bring a full store focus on whatever it is we're visiting about. But it's unique in the fact that parts and service have a say in some of the sales, and sales have a say in some of the parts and service as well. It really blends nicely with what's going on at the store.
Being a part of the growth that we're going through, there's going to be a lot of new opportunities, a lot of exciting things just through the fact that we're bringing a lot of different dealership groups together, and there's going to be some challenges that come with that, but whoever's a part of that growth and figuring out the solution of how to be a better company into the future, that will get rewarded for it.
The legacy I want to leave is that I know someday when I retire from C&B that I left the company in a better place than when I got here, and then I left a lasting impact for someone who will take my shoes behind me.
There comes a point in many people's lives, it goes from wanting to grow in your success as a person to sharing your success with others. That's how you get your internal fulfillment, and we provide both opportunities.